Hi YouTube, let me show you a little more progression. Taking out the front assembly which holds the radiator in place to gain access to the engine, which will be coming out very shortly. I'm having a rebuild. On closer inspection, the front end, got some rot on the left hand side there. Inner wings in the usual places. The back assembly, the brakes and the clutch. Cylinders are very rusty. I'm going to remove all the wiring and start again from scratch, because I just haven't got a clue what's what. So start from scratch, that's what I say. Originally I thought the engine was seized, but I managed to get a spanner on the bottom pulley and it did turn. So I'm hoping now that it's not seized after all. The water pump is totally seized. The manifold came off quite easy. Plenty of WD-40 overnight. So yeah, next stage is to get out the engine.